Guys, welcome to my show. So today we're gonna do a special recipe for the holidays. I'm going to make it's an alcoholic drink for my husband. He loves this. We just discovered this drink called Kahlua. Kahlua. This is the peppermint mocha flavor one. So this is rum and this is coffee liqueur. So I'm gonna make him like an alcoholic drink, and it's basically gonna be like a milkshake type of thing. This is gonna be a vegan recipe, but it's still gonna be good, okay? So what you'll need is a bottle of Kahlua, okay? And we'll get the peppermint flavor. Okay, the next ingredient is I'm going to use almond milk. You can use any kind of almond milk that you have. If you have chocolate almond milk or your favorite chocolate type of milk, you can use that one as well. To make mine a chocolate milk, I'm going to use Hershey syrup. It's just chocolate syrup, and this is vegan. It doesn't have any dairy that I know of, okay? Or any other things. And then I also have the non-dairy Ready Whip. I love this thing. It's really good for drinks, okay? So I'm going to use those things, and also I'm going to use something else. Okay, so I also have some ice cream. This is soy milk ice cream. It's like so delicious, dairy free. If you can find this, you can use any vanilla ice cream flavor that you will like. They also have coconut milk. They also have cashew milk, but I think this one is really good. Okay, and I'm also gonna use a little bit of this vanilla extract, just regular vanilla extract, you guys. All right. Next thing I will need is like a blender to put it in. I use my NutriBullet or my Magic Bullet. I don't really know. Right, now that I have my ingredients, it's really easy to do this, okay, you guys? So I have this cup here, and I'm gonna get my vanilla ice cream. This recipe is just for one person. If you wanna make it for like a party, I would maybe just, depending on the people, put as many things as you would here. I'll show you guys. So basically, I'm gonna put like a scoop of ice cream. Okay. That happens. It's okay, you guys. Thank gosh this is clean. Okay. Yeah. Like a scoop. I don't have an ice cream scoop right now, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's okay. And if you love ice cream, you can put as much ice cream as you want. So this is just regular vanilla ice cream. Okay. My spoon just bent. Maybe I have to invest in an ice cream scoop. But it's okay. So just a scoop of ice cream. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some of my almond milk. Give it a good shake. I would put about half a cup of this, just to give it that nice liquidy thing going on. So maybe like half a cup. And then I'm gonna put some of my Hershey's chocolate syrup. It's not syrup. Maybe it's chocolate. Hershey syrup. So maybe put in like about 2 teaspoons of it. 2 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna put a little splash of vanilla. Now, because we do have the peppermint flavor going on here, I'm not gonna put a lot, just a little tiny bit. Just like a drop. 3 little drops. That's it, you guys. You don't want to go overboard on this. And then I have my Kahlua here. Kahlua, sorry. Sorry, guys. You know, I'm used to this. I'm gonna put about 1 shot of this. I think that was a shot, you guys. And then I'm just gonna give it a nice stir. And then I'm gonna put it in the blender. So if you're gonna make it, for example, for 5 people, I'll put 5 scoops of ice cream. I will like just put 5 times the Kahlua, 5 times the syrup, 5 times everything. So this is just for like 1 person, okay? I'm gonna give it a nice shake. You see how it's already getting like chocolatey? And then I'm gonna put it in my blender here. My Magic Bullets. You can use any blender that you would like. Okay. Alright, guys. And then I'm gonna shake it some more. And then I'm gonna put it in a nice cup here. Okay. Nice. And then I'm gonna get my ready whip. Oh. And then I'm gonna top it off with some Enjoy Life chocolate chips. These are optional, you guys. You don't have to have these, but if you want, you can. And then a little bit of this syrup. Alright, guys. Well, there we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yep. So that's all it took, you guys. Very easy alcoholic drink for the holidays. You can also put little pieces of peppermint candy if you have some. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And happy holidays. Bye.